Kiara. I knew it.
Kiara.
Kiara.
Kiara. Which is not too different from the original, because the original says it's Giga and Kira. Similar.
I am Gina.
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 Gina. Oh, thank you for the raid, Narissa Ravencroft. Thank you. Oh,
You okay? Your cough sounds so painful.
Remember me, guys. No, I'm good.
You okay? Your cough sounds so painful.
Remember me, guys.
No,
I'm good.
It looks like you're stabbing her to death on my screen. No, stop. No. On my screen. No.
I am dying.
Shall I assist you as the server owner, as the GM, to get the basics down? I have done it plenty of times so far.
I think I should try it myself to kind of get a hang for it. I'll call you when I need you, or if I need you.
Okay.
I feel like if I don't get the basics down by myself, I'm always just gonna be living right beside you and be like, hey, what did you do? What did you do?
Independent.
Gotta be independent.